One of the most loved instruments from NI is Glaze. Today, Native Instruments announces Glaze 2. My name is Young Fizz, and today we are going to be exploring Glaze 2. What can you expect from Glaze 2? By the end of this video, you will know. Down in the description box below, you will find a link to where you can download this product. Glaze 2 is all about vocal textures, and what's even more stunning are the chord presets. I am not the greatest keyboard player in the world, but I can surely sound like it with Glaze 2. It has over 30 custom chord sets and background vocals mapped to keys. Let's take a listen to a few. With 150 presets, it's almost inevitable that one will spark your creativity. Let's check out a few. Keep in mind that this is a Play Series instrument. That means you have real-time control with an intuitive interface. Take advantage of the custom contact effect macros. Let's take a listen to a few more presets. I hope this video has provided you with some value. If it did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr.dopestatus on Instagram, and we will see you on the next video. We out.